Hi! Let's play a fun English quiz. Are you ready? Let's start. Question 1. How do you ask for water politely? Answer: Can I have some water? Question 2. How do you ask for food? Answer: May I have some food? Question 3. You want to play? What do you say? Answer: May I go and play? Question 4. You need help. What do you say? Answer: Can you help me?
Question 5. You want to go outside. What do you say? Answer: May I go outside?
Question 6. You are leaving for school. What do you say? Answer: I am going to school. Question 7. You are going to sleep. What do you say? Answer: I am going to sleep. Question 8. How do you ask the time? Answer: What time is it? Question 9. You want someone to call your friend. What do you say? Answer: Please call him.
Question 10. How do you say thanks politely? Answer: Thank you.
Awesome! How many did you get correct? Tell me in the comments. See you in next video.